Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix we are sorry but Excel has run into an error that is preventing it from working correctly. So to resolve this problem, click on start and type here appwiz.cpl. Open it. Now in this list you have to find out Microsoft Office. Right click on it and click on change. It will ask permission, so click on yes. Now here guys you will see some options like repair. So select it and repair. And make sure once you click continue, before continue you have to close all Microsoft Office program like Excel, Word or any another one and complete this repair process. If this method not work, so try second one. Open Excel, then click on File, Options. Here click on Add-ins. Now here click on Go. Deselect this old box. Then click on OK. Now close and restart your system and reopen Excel. Hopefully guys, using this simple and easy way we can fix and resolve Excel problem. Thanks for watching and please comment any method work for you or not.